Okay, hi everybody, Terry Brown here, and I wanted to share this incredible system with you. It's a low-cost autoresponder, but it's also, really a robust, full marketing system, and you get it for $10 per month. Okay, and this is something that I have been using for the past several months. And I haven't really shared it. I was just kind of using it, and all of a sudden I thought about it, a few days ago that, man, this is something that I want to share. Why? One, because, it's only $10 per month. Plus, you can earn $6 per referral. Okay. And so, you can share this with people and you can earn $6 again per referral. And you can build up some great advertising funds for you to help you with your existing business. Okay, so again, this is an autoresponder system and a marketing system, all rolled in one, and you get you get a lot for your money for $10 per month. This is an incredible system to use. So I just want to share something with you real quick. Let's go inside and take a look at some information, and then we're gonna, it's not gonna be long. We're gonna close this out, okay? Okay, here's a quick splash page that I just kind of threw together real quick. And you could add, a video in here. You can add some more words and coloring and all of that, colored letters, and make it look real nice. But this is just something I kind of threw together real quick to show you. And also, so let's go here. Okay. And this is a page that you'll get as well, that you can share with people about the system. And you can do what I just did, and you could put together a squeeze page or splash page. Okay. And you can do the same thing. Okay. It says, hi, it's Terry Brown here with a question. Do you have all the tools you need to build your existing online business in one place, plus receive $6 per upgraded referral without passing them on? Okay. Welcome to Build-A-Biz Online, providers of affiliate marketing tools and advertising solutions to help you promote your existing or new online business. Okay. Click here to see a demonstration. So when you come here, you can click on that. Okay. And let's just go down here a bit. It says, a note from Ian, the owner of Build-A-Biz Online. When I started online, I was paying out over $60 per month for all of the tools, advertising, and training I needed to stick out from the crowd and build and monitor my new online business. Plus, I had to use several different programs to accomplish this. I promised myself and the people I became acquainted with that if I could make it pay online, I would create a program that not only had all the tools under one roof, I would also make it affordable to all, plus have built-in brandable advertising pages, saving its customer more of their hard-earned cash. My promise has now been fulfilled. What our members say, okay? And so, getting great praises from the membership, okay? And so the system is really incredible. And so if you need an autoresponder, if you need a good marketing system where you can create lead capture pages and splash pages, etc., then this is something you definitely want to take a look at. For $10 per month, you cannot beat this system here. Okay, so there you have it. I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and wonderful day. Before I do close out, I do want to say that I'm going to leave the link to this system in the description area, where you can take a look and get signed up if you are so inclined. Okay, so there you have it. I'm Terry Brown. You be blessed today. Bye bye now.